Hello students, this is a short overview of the online course Research Design, Data Management and Data Communication. There are 3 modules, as you will also see online. So the first module is Research Design, the second module is Data Management, and the third module is Data Communication. You have to follow it chronologically because there are due dates. You can go through them as fast as you want to, so if you want to do the assignments a month before the due date, this is also possible. Some have a chronological order and some do not. As you can see from the arrows here, the research design module is chronological. So we would like you to first do the research project design, the research project funding, and then the research project management. These are the due dates of the assignment of the module research design. As you can see here, assignment deadline extensions are impossible due to the automatic nature of this online course. Once the due date is finished, online it closes off, and then I cannot accept any more submissions. So I want you to keep this in mind. You have to be aware of your schedule, so if you have a holiday or a trip coming up and there is a due date, then make sure that you have finished everything before that date. The second module is Data Management. This only has one chronological title, so Data Collection and Data Storage. You can do data policies whenever you want. The Data Communication is made of 3 separate subjects. So you can do these 3 whenever you want. You can start with skills and tools, or you can start with media and online platforms. Just make sure that you do the due dates when they have to be done. In this short video, I will be explaining how to use the Ocean Teacher system for the online course. Once you log in, you will be brought to a home page, and this is the button to click to access your dashboard and to access the courses that you are enrolled in. In the beginning, you will only see Module 1 Research Design, and then after a couple of weeks you will also see Module 2 Data Management and Data Communication. This bar here shows you how far you have evolved in the course. I will be explaining the online course through opening this Module 1. This is about how you will see it on your screen. It will not be exactly the same, as I have access to all the participants in the course and you will not. But for the most part, this will be exactly the same as my screen. So with upcoming events, you can see the deadlines for the assignments. We have 2 types of assignments. Once you go further in the course, you will see that we're asking questions here. But if you go a little further down, you can see that we also have these assignments. You will only be graded on assignments, and these assignments have due dates. In the overview, which you saw in the previous slide, you saw the due dates for all assignments. You can go through them as fast or as slow as you want, but as slow as you want only means until you reach the deadlines. If you want to go through this faster, this is also possible. Do keep in mind that some assignments ask for peer assessment, so if you are the first students doing an assignment, then you will not be getting a peer assessment as fast as other students who will do it a little later, so you can just go through it at your own pace. I'm going to be opening one of the lessons. So it starts with 3 buttons that you can push, but we also have a lesson menu, and if you quit in the middle of the lesson, then you can just use this menu to go to any part which you have stopped. So if you want to go back, you can always click on the right link under this title, You can also use the back button, just what you feel works best for you. At the top here you can see a forum, and this is meant for a Q&A about the course. If you have questions about the course, you can use the forum and your fellow students can answer, or myself or the other IMBRC coordination team can answer. The glossary is meant for an explanation on terms that you do not really understand that well yet. I have linked most terms to the course so that once you open one of the lessons, then you can see here that these highlighted in blue, these are in the glossary. So if you click it, you will see the explanation of the term. It is also possible for you, so I'm going back through this button, it is also possible for you to add terms to the glossary, because project management and research design, they are very specific and they will introduce you to a lot of words that you haven't heard yet. You can see here in orange, once you have finished a lesson, the orange label will always tell you if there's an assignment linked to the lesson that you have just finished or not. So always keep in mind that it is best to first do the lesson and then do the assignments. This research design module has one big assignment at the end, for which you will be grouped in different teams. This grouping for group assignment project proposal, this is what you need to fill in to be grouped in different teams. Once you know which group you are in, it is possible to have a physical meeting, but if you prefer to do everything online, then that is also possible. This is a Q&A for the assignment, so if you have questions about the assignment, you can, so specifically about the assignment, you can ask them here. And the student wiki will be open per group, so each group will have their own student wiki. This allows you to make online, to cooperate online. So the tools and files are usually all the PDFs which are also embedded in the course, which you will see, but if you would like to print them out, then this is possible through these tools and files. You can download everything that you want to here. But for the rest, you don't really need to look at it specifically, since they are all embedded in the course.